Looking for the best international movers in Bahrain? Whether you're moving for a job, family, or studies, 3 Movers offers expert services to make your overseas move smooth and stress-free. Let's go over everything you need to know. At 3 Movers, we specialize in global moving services to and from Bahrain. Our team is here to handle your entire move, from packing to customs clearance and delivery. Wherever you're headed, we're here to make it easy. The cost of an international move to or from Bahrain can vary. Key factors include distance. Longer moves cost more. Volume and weight. The more you're moving, the higher the cost. Season. Moving during off-peak times can reduce costs. Additional services. Packing services or storage can add convenience but may increase the cost. Need a full-service move? 3 Movers offers complete packing and moving options to make your transition effortless. From fragile items to large furniture, our team can handle it all, saving you time and energy. Here's a look at estimated rates for container shipping to Bahrain. 20-foot container, around $795 40-foot container, approximately $855 for smaller loads. Less than container load LCL options are available, which can be more budget-friendly for smaller shipments. 3 Movers also handles international household and vehicle shipping. Here are some examples. Partial house move, up to 2,000 pounds, $685. 1-bedroom move, $1,075. Sedan shipping, container, $855, or via Ro-Ro, $595. Whether it's a small apartment or a larger home, we have moving packages tailored to your needs. For those moving across the Gulf region, we offer competitive rates for countries like Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Turkey. These regional moves have unique requirements, and we're experienced in navigating each one. In addition to international moves, we provide ready-to-make your move to or from Bahrain. Contact 3 Movers today for a free quote tailored to your needs. Let our team make your international move hassle-free.